Hello, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a mouth-watering journey in search of the most crunchy, flavorful chicken wings from around the globe. If you're a fan of that satisfying crunch when you take a bite of perfectly cooked chicken wings, then you're in for a treat. Let's dive in. American buffalo wings. First up, we're heading over to the United States, home of the classic buffalo wings. These beauties are deep-fried until they reach the perfect level of crunch and then coated with a mixture of hot sauce and melted butter. With their vibrant color and tangy, spicy, they offer a crunch that's hard to beat. Flavor. Korean fried chicken wings. Next, we're jetting off to South Korea for their iconic Korean fried chicken wings. Known for their double frying method, these wings have an incredibly crispy exterior and a juicy interior. The wings are then glazed with a sweet and spicy sauce, adding a delightful flavor interior. Contrast that will make your taste buds sing. Chinese-style chicken wings. Our next stop is China, where we find wings marinated in a mix of soy sauce, 5-spice, interior, and hoisin, then baked or fried to perfection. Jamaican jerk chicken wings. We're off to the Caribbean next, Jamaica to be exact, where we encounter jerk chicken wings. These wings are coated with the island's signature jerk seasoning, then grilled over charcoal and offers a Moorish crunch that's hard to resist. For a smoky, crispy finish that's truly one of a kind. Indian tandoori chicken wings. Finally, we land in India, renowned for its tandoori chicken wings. These wings are marinated in yogurt and a blend of vibrant spices, then cooked in a traditional tandoor oven. The high heat of the tandoor ensures a lovely crunch on the outside, while the inside remains tender and juicy. There you have it, folks. 5 of the crunchiest, most flavorful chicken wings from around the world. But the journey doesn't end here. We want to know your favorite crunchy chicken wing recipes. Do leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this delicious journey. Until next time, stay hungry.